Now, you all know that I like to cook in the kitchen, but it turns out that Mrs. Dalgleish is an excellent cook as well, and today she's making a French dish called Ratatouille, which comes from Brittany or somewhere.
Nice.
It comes from somewhere nice. And so,
niçoise.
yes, and so as you can see, we start by preparing onions. Now, I don't know why she's chopping the onions that way, but I'm watching carefully because I might learn something here. It seems to be a bit small, isn't it? She does say she knows what she's doing. And she is French.
Si tu vas faire des commentaires pendant 45 minutes, on va pas s'en sortir, Enjo.
Fortunately, I don't speak French, so I don't know what she's talking about. We crush our garlic into the onions and the oil. It's important to cut the peppers in exact square shapes, otherwise the recipe doesn't work. And now an aubergine. If you can't get an aubergine, then any other vegetable that's purple and shaped like that will do.
Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner.
Courgettes, or zucchini as the Americans call them. The bay leaves have been added, so now this is the thyme and a little parsley and perhaps some oregano.
Yes, definitely.
Whoop, too much.
Non. Et voilà.
Now it needs to cook for at least 5 or 6 minutes.
2
Possibly
to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours if you're French, and then to be enjoyed.
That's right.